Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you a EUHOMY Countertop ice maker not making ice. If you want to fix the issue, then you will need to consider some options. These are the possible fixes related to your problem. Check power. Ensure it is plugged in and the power cord is intact. Second, add water. Fill the reservoir to the required level with clean water. The third option is to reset the machine. Turn it off, unplug, wait 10 to 15 minutes and restart. Press the reset button is available. The fourth option is to ensure ventilation. Keep the vents clear and the unit on the stable surface. The another option is to inspect the ice tray, remove blockages and align the tray properly. The another option is to check cooling, listen for the compressor and ensure it is functioning. The another option is to clean sensors, wipe the water level and the ice full sensors. And in the last, clean the unit. Scale and sanitize to remove mineral deposits. So these are the possible fixes related to your problem. Hopefully after your problem will be fixed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.